This can't be right. There's got to be a better way than this. When you're a trader, the trading platform you use is really important. It affects the brokerage fees you pay, the markets you can buy from, and the type of resources you can access. Even if you're an experienced investor, it's good to check in occasionally. You need to make sure your platform is still meeting your needs. Today we're going to take a look at some of the essential features we think a platform should have. This video is sponsored by moomoo. moomoo is a one-stop trading platform that helps you discover trading opportunities and assists you in executing your strategies 24 hours a day across the global stock market. Unlike a lot of other trading platforms, moomoo doesn't do tiered subscriptions. All members have access to pro-level features, including AI-powered analysis tools. With moomoo, you can trade Australian, US, and Hong Kong stocks all under one account. Now let's take a look at the essential features we think a platform should have. So trading platforms pretty much all charge fees. It's part of the price of doing business as a trader. moomoo is considered one of the cheapest platforms with a 99 US cent flat fee per US trade, regardless of trading volume. Additionally, trading on the ASX starts from just $3. So if you trade regularly, there's potential for some significant savings. Sorry about that. People start investing for all different types of reasons. Sometimes it's because they want to own a part of the company they care about. But no matter the reason, you need inspiration from time to time to keep you going. The good news is that your trading platform of choice is a valuable resource for inspiration. Having access to 24/7 financial news and other investors on the same platform can be a useful way to keep your finger on the pulse and to find future investments. Each trading platform has its own unique strengths that can drive your motivation and keep you in the game, so to speak. moomoo's institutional tracker lets you see what the world's biggest organizations are trading. For example, the Vanguard Group, BlackRock, or Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. You're able to see where the big money moves so that you can guide your next investment opportunity. moomoo also has the industry chain feature. This shows you the key companies in an industry giving insights and stock pick ideas into the major players and the industry's whole supply chain. Tools like this can be a great way to uncover potential growth opportunities. After all, inspiration can strike when you least expect it. Maybe there's a pet food company I could invest in. Analyzing markets and learning to spot trends is essential for any serious investor. But it can be a pretty complex process, even if you've been investing for a while. The good news is that trading platforms usually provide tools to help you with the process. It's much easier than trying to do it all yourself. For instance, moomoo offers many easy-to-use stock analysis tools to help you analyze market opportunities. These tools condense complex company financials into easy-to-read visual charts. This way, you can get a view of the company's financial performance at a glance. There are more than 100 technical analysis tools that help you chart how the market moves. One of them is the indicator sentiment. This is an AI-powered tool that can help you uncover bullish and bearish signals in the market. So make sure you look for an investment platform that has access to a good range of analysis tools. Trading is an exercise in making careful purchases and sales while balancing risk. Your trading platform should help enable this. For example, you should have access to live quotes to help you get the best pricing. Some platforms like moomoo offer 24 hours, 5 days a week extended trading hours on some of the most popular US stocks. This way you can take advantage of trading even while the rest of the world is asleep.
Shush, I'm trying to sleep.
Oops, sorry. moomoo offers 8 advanced order types, including stop-loss orders. You can mitigate risk and navigate market volatility. Having the right blend of tools can help set you up for better success as a long-term investor. So those are our tips for picking a trading platform. For more information about investing, trading, and trading platforms, make sure you visit finder.com.au/sharetrading.